Start your morning with this simple 7-minute yoga routine to wake up your body and mind. Begin with cat-cow stretches to loosen your spine and improve flexibility. Move into downward dog, a great stretch for your back, hamstrings, and shoulders. Relax into child's pose to release tension and reset your breath. This gentle stretch improves flexibility and relieves stress. Finish with deep breathing and set a positive intention for the day. Join our growing community and sip on some hot tea for your soul. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for weekly videos. Start your journey toward a healthier, happier, and more motivated you. Hot teas, sipping and spilling. Let's sit, sip, and soar together. Thank you for allowing us to partake in your journey.